Hey guys, in this video I will share 5 Fiverr hacks that you can use to improve your Gigs ranking, and these hacks will help you get your first order. So the number 1 hack is use keywords effectively in your Gigs titles, description and attachments. Let's say I am creating a jig on 3D modeling using Fusion 360. So before writing the title, I will go to my internet browser and will search for the free keyword research tool Super tool. I will click on the keyword research tool, and there in the search box I will write my keyword, and for the best and accurate results try signing into the platform, and here you can see the results with monthly volume. If the monthly volume is sufficient enough, just use that keyword in your title description, attachment and annotations. This trick will help search engines to rank your jig organically. Now the number 2 hack. Since you had created your jig full of keywords, next task is to ask for recommendation and likes on your jigs. This is the most important hack. You can share your jig links in the different Facebook groups or different social media platforms where you can ask others to mark your jig as their favorite in return for the same thing. This trick will help to gain more impressions and click on your jig, and you will rank higher in the Fiverr search engine. Next is number 3 hack. Make sure your thumbnail is attractive and clickable. The best way to figure out this is to check out the most selling jigs and their thumbnails, how they are planning and created their thumbnails. Once you got an idea, just jump onto canva.com. It's a free tool to design thumbnails and graphical elements and create an amazing and clickable thumbnail. Number 4 hack is include all kind of attachments, either image samples, video samples, PDF samples. Use all formats, and don't forget to optimize your attachments for search engine optimization and for your keywords. If you want to learn more about it, comment below in the video. I will try to make a detailed tutorial on this topic. Now the last and number 5 hack. Try to be online on the platform using your Android or iOS app on your phone as much possible. Try to be online during odd hours, I mean during midnight and morning if you are from Asian countries. Just try to apply all these 5 hacks and I am sure that you will get your first order. And don't forget to check out my Fiverr Gig to get an idea. I had provided the link below in the video. Also, if you'd like to share anything or you want to add any value to this content, share in the comment, and don't forget to follow me for more contents related to 3D printing, CAD designing and freelancing. Thank you and good luck.